Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review a product called MemeBuddy. This product is going to be launched on 27th of June 2021 on ZavyZoo. And as you can see on the screen here, it shows that never ever seen before cloud app lets you cash in on the viral traffic method. Others are using it to make up to $1,000 per day with simple memes. All right. Now we will tell you exactly what this software is. Is it a money-making software, or is it something to do with making memes or whatever? So make sure you stick till the end, and we will actually tell you if you really need to buy it or not, because this is quite a mixed review here. Leave the money-making part aside, but this software is quite good. It can help you to get many clients, as well as you can do it as a you can use the software to provide services on freelancing websites such as on Fiverr as well. So make sure you still stick till the end so that you can understand how this software is going to work for you. And also we will show you the demo as well. As you can see, we have a demo video here which is of 9 minutes long. So just make sure here you stick till the end, okay? Now as you can see on the screen here, it shows that it can make up to $1,000 per day with this traffic method. Now this is not any kind of traffic method. This is simply you make memes and then you upload them on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, okay? And you will see that in the demo part in the coming few minutes. All right, now here you do not have to get confused. This is not a money making software, so leave that concept aside. It has got nothing to do with money making. Yes, you can make the money if you have some clients, okay? So let's say somebody approaches you and they ask you to provide some memes, some images, some videos like that. Then you can sell them and you can create the memes using the software, and then you can sell them to your clients, or maybe as a freelancer on some websites, okay? So this is how you can make money using the software, but directly there's no combination of make money online with the software, okay? Now let's understand what does it say here. It says no prior experience required, get started in minutes, use the software to create a massive following, you can monetize, breathe new life into dead fan pages and social media, drive traffic almost instantly to any website or web, and commercial license to create a truly realistic six figures income, this and that. So you will have to check all the features on the website, and it's pretty amazing software. Once you get in the dashboard, you will see some templates, some trials, how it works, and then you will be able to decide if you want the software or not. Let me tell you again, this is most likely for people who have clients already, who wants to have, design some logos or some Facebook images. This works perfectly for creating images for Facebook and Instagram posts. So let's say if you have a Facebook fan page, or you are an Instagrammer, you have a lot of followings on Instagrams, and you want to entertain and engage your audience on Facebook and Instagram, and then you want to promote some links there to make sales, then definitely you can use this software, these memes, which will engage your audience. This is the best way to engage your audience, because you will see some sample images here. They're as you can see here now. So these are the sample images you can create using this software, and these kind of images are quite popular on Facebook and Instagram these days, which means that you will be able to engage and interact with your audience. And then similarly here you can see how does it work. You have to find the right images, research, quotes, funny sayings and more, which can be incredibly time consuming, right? And you have to track what is working, what is not working. So inside the software you have all those memes which are trending. You will have all the theory which you need, all the words, sentences which are supposed to be written on the image. You will have everything. And then let's go at the bottom here. Let me see if I have to tell you anything else. These are some users giving their opinions about the software, and a pretty neat and clean website. Nothing like other websites which you have on Warrior Plus. So this is the difference, that on ZavyZoo you will have less scamming websites. Warrior Plus is full of scams, but ZavyZoo is actually there to provide you some good software. So again, I'm telling you, do not let your mind confused in that this software is going to make you money. No, this software is going to make you only memes, but if you are able to sell those memes to your clients, you will make a lot of money. Plus, if you have any Facebook following, fan page, or any Instagram fan page, or any Twitter page, then you can engage your audience by, using these memes, right? Now let's go to the dashboard of the account here. So you can see what I'll do. This is a 9 minutes long video, so I cannot play the whole video. What I'll do is I will leave the link of this demo video in the description below so that you can watch the whole demo of 9 minutes in your own free time. I'll just quickly go ahead and forward it. So this is how the dashboard looks like. You have trending memes and everything here. You can see this is how my depression stayed on final warning. So these are some cool pictures, some cool memes which you can use to upload on your, and also the good thing about that, here you can actually integrate your Facebook and Instagram account in account settings, and that means you can post your memes directly from dashboard to your Facebook account, to your Instagram account, to your Twitter account. Okay, so you don't have to log in separately to your Facebook or Instagram. You can design your images from here. Once you are okay that yes, this image is good to go, then you simply go to the campaign, and then you just go ahead and post those images into your Facebook dashboard, and then you will learn how you can make more images. So you have to spend some time here. There are a lot of templates, a lot of pre-built images here. It's loading more and more memes, as you can see on the screen right now. So you will have a lot of options to choose from, okay? And once you go ahead and select your meme, you can just animate it or just choose static. So again, as I said, I'll put the link of this demo video in the description below so that you can watch completely how does it work. And mostly people are going to sell you crap like this bonus, that bonus. I don't believe in bonus and all that crap, but if you want some bonus, I'll tell you a free website from where you can get unlimited bonus. Okay, you don't have to think about 1, 2, 3 how many bonuses you're getting. I'm going to tell you one website which is called idplr.com. So I'm just going to close this crap of bonus thing here, because bonus is kind of brainwashing thing. So if you watch affiliates scrapping about bonus, 5,000 bonus, 10,000 bonus, 50,000 bonus, are you out of your mind? Bonus is something which gets credited into your bank account, okay? So do not crap about bonus here. Bonus is like, are you putting some money in my pocket? That's called bonus. You're not giving me anything as cash, right? So you don't have to fall for bonus craps here, right? I'm going to give you this website called idplr.com. From here, you can get as many bonuses you want for free, and even you can give it away to other people, okay? So do not fall for the bonus crap from other affiliates. Just go to idplr.com. Here you can see a lot of products are there: software, videos, ebooks, templates, graphics, music, and these are all free products, free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audios. So you click on free software here and just check what kind of software you can get or download from this website for free, because these kind of softwares comes as bonus, right? So here I can give you affiliate PDF bundle, easy search version. I can give you all these as bonus, but I don't want to crap all about bonus. Are you getting the point here? I gave you the whole website. Just go to idplr.com, get as many bonuses you want, because at the end of the day, bonus is only a waste of your time, right? So if you're looking for a MemeBuddy, focus on buying MemeBuddy, or focus on learn how to make memes using MemeBuddy. Instead, if somebody gives you 4 bonuses, that means your mind is going to be diverted to other 4 products, and you don't even have a need of those 4 bonuses. Ask yourself, what are you going to do with those 4 bonuses, okay? So stop the scrap of bonus. There is no such thing called bonus unless you put some money in my bank account. That's called bonus, all right? So in case you are interested about bonus and all that, I gave you the whole website, okay? Go to idplr.com. Get whatever you want from here. You can get free ebooks, free software, free audio files, free music. Everything is free here, okay? And this is the unlimited bonus I gave you, okay? So let's cut the crap here. Go back to the meme website. If you want to claim your discount, you can claim your $6 discount here as well. Code is a special125, okay? So use this code special125 and you will get a $6 discount. And make sure you just go ahead and read everything on the website first, okay? So read everything, make sure you have gone through all the website, because the use of this particular software is only to create memes. Do not mix it with make money online. Making money is on you. If you are a freelancer, if you have some clients to serve, then you can sell out these memes at high cost, maybe $100 per meme, and that is how you can make money. And in the end, there is one thing you need to check out. at the bottom you have a link of unlimited hosting. So if you are running a website or a blog and you're paying monthly, so you don't have to do that. What you can do is you can buy this unlimited hosting where you don't have to pay every month. You can only buy it for one time, and then you can pay unlimited, then you can host your websites for unlimited time. Okay, so do check out that link. Also the demo video you will find in the link. Make sure you check everything and then just go ahead and buy. If you find the link of this MemeBuddy, buy it from us or buy it from some, buy it from the main website. It's up to you. So this was the review for MemeBuddy. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we'll see you in the next video shortly.